Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, April the 26th, and the Forex market opens at 5 o'clock, or should I say, get the moving around by our time, 5 o'clock. So, I want to go over three pairs, and I am going to put a pop signal on here, meaning profit on purpose. But if you've watched some of my videos before, just remember that everything is mindset. You don't want to be taking nobody else's signals when it comes to getting in the market. You need clarity, right? And you need confidence. But not only do you need clarity and confidence, you need discipline. Meaning, don't just jump in the market because you see a green or a red candlestick and you think that's buying or selling. Trading is 80% psychology and 20% skill. And I want to help you work on your skill, but you got to have your mindset right too. I said 80%. Come on. 80. So, I like to keep this up under 5 minutes, and we're gonna do that. And if you watch some of my videos, one of the things that I say is you gotta have a strong foundation when it comes to a house. I'm always talking about a house, right? And in a house, you have to have a ceiling, a floor, wall, things to make it a house, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here and grab me a horizontal line, and I'm going to put a line for my roof for my house, right? I need some type of structure. I even like structure in my life. You wouldn't believe how many people don't have structure in their life. And then I'm gonna put a floor, right? So I'm just gonna move this to the side and see. That's price. When I say price, that means the candlestick been respecting that area. Yes, especially all the way up until this point. Okay, so that's where my chart is. I got my ceiling and my floor. Those areas are known as key areas, right? So when price gets to those levels, it's just like going to a dead end road. What happens? Do you continue? Do you turn around? Do you stop? Do you wait? Do you look around? Right. You stop, you wait, you look around, and then shit, you turn around, right? Keep that same analogy when it comes to the market, right? And I say that because price was at this support level. And it gave us some type of indication to go up to the upside, right? A lot of people will say, well, hey, when do I get in? When it's closer to your key levels. Look right here. Price came to this level, gave a rejection, closed above, and that could have been a great entry for a 1-to-1. Okay. So boom, price. Oh, I like to tell people too to think of a trampoline. Put a trampoline in your house. You bouncing up and down. Are you gonna bounce out the roof? Yes or no? Absolutely not, right? If you do, you got some issues and financial issues, right? So price has came and hit this area, just like the trampoline. So when you go up so high, you got to come down, right? Get the same mindset. Price came to this area and gave us an indication, a small wick, another small wick. Still didn't break through our roof. It even went up a little bit, but guess what? I'm waiting for it to turn around. That's my dead end. I'm not going to go any higher. Now, a lot of people right here would have got into a buy because they seen the market going up. They would have got into a buy. right? But price turned around. So as price turned around, what I'm looking for now is when price is coming down, I should be looking for sales only. When price was going up over here, I should have been looking for buys only. Simple, right? Don't overcomplicate it. Okay. So for GBP, JPY, GBP USD, we are looking for sales. My pop signal, meaning profitable on purpose, or profit on purpose, is going to be 1.3488. I'm going to just put 90. Oh, wait a minute, because it might go a little bit lower. Let me change my lines, y'all. Let me bring that down a little bit. All right, so I'm looking for sales. So my pop signal is 1.3455. Okay, where that went to? Okay, there we go. Okay, so again, y'all, that was real simple. This is what we're looking for. Now, in the meantime, of us looking for sales, I'm gonna tell you what's gonna be going on. First of all, we have a trend back here. It's over with, but I'm telling you what I see. We have a trend, right? Going up. You can put it right there. You can put it right there. Now, I see, let's make these a little bit healthy so I can explain this. I see that in this area, that's also where the price broke out to the upside, right? Valid trend line. I see that price has bounced on and off this trend line for some time, and now it has came to exhaustion. So guess what? That's gonna be a trend line break. The market does these moves daily: trend line breaks, reversals, range in market, breakouts. This one right here that we are finna catch is a trend line break. All right, and it's also a range in market. But anyway, I'm gonna put that one right here, and I will come back to this one probably tomorrow to see. If you got any questions, I hope I made this very simple for you guys, and I explained it. Again, I have been trading these markets for 6 years. Um, it hasn't been a get rich scheme or anything like that. It's just that I have to keep practicing in demo. Don't try to go live with your own money. You can lose. So until you learn until you learn how to read these charts to where you can be able to pull up anything, when I say anything, any chart, any sector, you can be able to analyze it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to hear next.